Hello and welcome to the lab project. In this lab project section, you will incorporate everything that you have learned. The objective of this lab section, this lab project, is to use everything that you have learned to implement a reverse connection red system that can return a shell, a command prompt, with the command buttons. So these are command buttons that will be in the client section of the red, and you will put a button that when you click, it will send a command to the server to pop up a message box to say hello. And then you have another button for beep, another button for playing a sound, and another button for shutting down the server and exiting and shutting down the client. So this is the client UI design for this lab project. We have a Windows container, and then we have on the right hand side, the big area here, the command shell that will be sent by the server to the client once the server has connected to the client. And then at the bottom here we have input for typing your commands that will be sent to the server. And then on the left panel is something new. This is where you're going to put 4 buttons. First button, when you click the message box, it will send a command to the server. The server will pop up a message box to show a greeting, for example, hello world. And then you have another button, beep. So when you click on this, it will cause the server to beep a sound. And then you have a play sound button. When you click on play sound, it will cause the server to play a sound, a chime sound. And then when you click on the 4th button, shut down server, it will cause the server to shut down. So in this final project here, you are incorporating everything that you have learned. You are incorporating the reverse connection shell, the port binding shell, and also the unlimited command design for the red. So I will encourage you to try this on your own first before you look at the solution which are coming up in the next few video lessons. So give it a go, see if you can incorporate everything that you have learned to come up with this system. The architecture is the same as before. We have a server which is which will be simulating a situation behind a firewall or router modem, and the server will connect through the firewall and connect to our client. Our client will be a graphical user interface hybrid client and has a listening port of 6666. So give this a try, and all the best, good luck.